This is the Calculator Vault. It's an Android app. You can download it for free on the Play Store, and also no root required. This is just a short video I would like to share about this app. It's not a regular calculator. The app gives you an additional phone installed on your phone. If you're familiar with a secured folder from Samsung, this is pretty similar to that. The main feature of this app is you can hide files and duplicate your apps. The question is, what's the calculator for? This is how you access the app. The calculator works as a secret chamber. You need to set a passcode for it, then you can easily type your passcode just like you do a calculation. The calculator is not just for a disguise. It works like a regular calculator. You can also use your fingerprint sensor to unlock this, but it will defy the feature of this app, like why would people lock the calculator app? It's suspicious, so I suggest use the passcode. Also, it's better for you to hide the main calculator, or for some devices you can uninstall it so it won't be weird for you having two calculators. What can you do with the app? You can hide your files here like photos and videos, and people won't see them in your main gallery or file manager. Another feature is you can duplicate any apps. For example, you can only use one WhatsApp on your phone, then you can use the Calculator Vault to create another WhatsApp on it. You can have two WhatsApps with two different numbers. The app also allows you to keep the duplicated app even though you delete the main one. This process can actually be done by just hiding your apps from the home screen, but people can just figure it out by typing the name on the search bar, looking for it on the setting, or searching on the Play Store. But by using the Calculator Vault, you are totally in a high level of privacy. So, this is pretty much a good app for those who are concerned about privacy, but since the main feature of this app is about duplicating and hiding something, so please use it wisely. That's all from me. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the description. Thank you and see you next time.